Welcome to Monday's lesson, decimals in written form. Really quick, if you ever need to just go straight to Khan Academy, you can click on that link and it will take you straight to Khan Academy. Really easy. Okay, so let's go to Khan Academy. Right now I'm on Course Master. I'm going to switch to assignments. We should be getting in the rhythm of this. I can see all these were due. On yours it's going to say it was due on Friday. I'm pre-recording this lesson. So I'm going to go down to where it's going to say it's due this Friday and look at the first one, decimals in written form. Okay, let's go ahead and click start right there. You didn't wish me happy birthday this year. Okay, the first one, it says write 2 and 42 thousandths in decimal form. Okay, so let's go ahead and open up your notebook and get a pencil and take notes with me. So at the top of your page, please write decimals in word form. Okay, and then let's go ahead and make our place value line. So line, 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 decimal, line, line, line. All right, so let's go ahead and start maybe right here. This is the ones, we know that's the ones, tens, hundreds. It's good to just keep making this because it reinforces those ideas in our head. On the other side of the decimal, we have tenths, we have hundredths, and we have thousandths. All right, so we need to be able to write this in word form. So here we go. I'm gonna put 22 and let's put, I don't know. So we have 22.17. So the way we write or read this is 22 and go ahead and put decimal equals and. Very important that we know that the decimal equals and. 22 and 17 hundredths. That's the way we read it. You say the number here and then you read what place value it's in. So it's 22 and 17 hundredths. Let's do a couple more. How about 4891? We would read this as 481 and 1/10. 481 and 1/10. Gonna do 5. 4 2 0 0. Actually, let's not do 0 0. Let's go. Put something there. Okay. This is read as 42 and 21 thousandths because we end in the thousandths. Now, if this was missing, let's say it was just 21, how would that be said? That would be 42 and 21 hundredths. One last one. 7 2 7 7 2 7. Why not? This would be 727 and 727 thousandths. So you, like I said, you read the number and then say the last spot, the last place value where it ends. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at what this is in practice. The first one, it gives us it in word form and we have to write it as a decimal. That's probably really small. It says write 2 and 42 thousandths and in decimal notation. So decimal notation just means writing as a decimal. So we know we have 2, we know that and means a decimal, and then it says 42 thousandths. So if I were to write 42 like that, That 2 is ending in the hundreds place. That's not where we want to end. We want to end in the thousands place. So we got to bump that thing out. Now it says 2 and 42 thousandths. That's kind of the trick that they like to pull on us. They put that 0, and that's kind of their way of figuring out how well we know this. All right, click next, click done. Next one. What is this? Is it 375 thousandths, 375 thousandths, 375? So pretty sure that that is not 375. 375 would be 375, not a decimal. 375 thousandths, well, that would be 300. That one would look like this. That would be 375 thousandths, right? Because that and means a decimal, and that's not what we got. We got something else. So I'm gonna let you finish that up, but before I go, I want you to tell me what kind of fruit I remind you of.